Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream with half and half. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of very cold half and half, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having your half and half extremely cold is crucial for successful whipping. Powdered sugar not only sweetens, but also helps stabilize the cream, giving it a better texture. The vanilla extract adds a lovely, classic flavor to your homemade treat. Next, you'll want to chill your equipment. Place a large metal mixing bowl and your whisk attachment in the freezer for at least 15 minutes. This step is incredibly important because cold temperatures help the fat molecules in the half and half emulsify and hold air better. The colder everything is, the more stable and fluffy your whipped cream will be. This simple preparation makes a big difference in the outcome. Now it's time to whip. Pour your very cold half and half into the chilled mixing bowl. Start your electric mixer on a low speed, then gradually increase it to high. You'll need to whip for several minutes, as half and half has less fat than heavy cream, making it take longer to thicken. Keep an eye on it. You're looking for soft peaks to form. Be careful not to overwhip, or your cream could become grainy. Once soft peaks form, gently add your 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue to whip on low speed until everything is just combined and the cream reaches your desired consistency. Remember, half and half whipped cream is best served immediately, as it can deflate faster than traditional whipped cream. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.